Hello and welcome back. So we're gonna start talking about review signals. Makes sense? What's a review? You know exactly what a review is. So as you can see here, straight away, Google, 14 Google reviews. On average, they get a 4.6 rating. So Google has a few different things. Basically, the length, if the review makes sense, like if it's talking about hair, if you've got a review on your website that starts talking about like beef and ham, Google's gonna be like, this is a little bit weird. And it's not just reviews on Google, although these are the strongest reviews since Google directly relates to it. Again, you can see more reviews on Finder and Yellow down here, which means Google has picked up the reviews on Yellow and Finder, and they have put it here. So again, you can see a 5-star rating just here. And again, another example of citation. So again, Ministry of Hair, Level 2, Heritage. And so if these were my clients, I would actually tell them to make sure they keep this consistent. Again, I told you just before, a little slight change can like cripple your whole results. And sometimes it might not happen straight away. You see over here, it's just Level 2. On the other, on Finder, it says Level 2 Heritage. So even like a small thing like that, it might come up straight away, it might come up a month from now, it might come up a year from now. But if Google picks up on that and it happens too many times, like straight away, your website's gone. So consistency, consistency, consistency. But also with reviews, again, not only is it a ranking factor, so I think it makes up, let's give it a go. So reviews make about 12%. Again, guesstimation, but let's just say 12% of this ranking factor here. But on top of that, the biggest thing about reviews, it doesn't matter if you're number 1 or you're number 7. If number 1 to number 6 has no reviews, and you're sitting on number 7 and you've got 14 5-star reviews, people are going to click on you. It's just social proof. People trust other people, regardless if they don't know who they are. So reviews are really, really important. So I suggest to all my clients is basically find one citation or one business directory that you want to focus on. I usually focus on Google reviews or Yelp, because those two seem to be the biggest on average, and just focus on those two. It's okay spreading a few, like getting 1 or 2 reviews on Yellow and Yellow Local and Yelp and Foursquare. But if you focus on one, because if you see here, if I'm getting a haircut, and I see this page right here, which you are seeing as well, you can see 14 and average 4.6. So I'm more likely to click on the one with the most Google reviews as well as the highest rating. So this is the highest rating with this one. This only has 9 reviews, this has 14. I'm going to click on the 14 one first because it's got the most reviews, still averages the highest result as well. And that's how important one review can be. So these guys would have so many clients, it's not funny. They would work with thousands of people every single year. And 14 reviews is the make or break. It could be the difference between me going to them or me going to Bet Jaman's hair salon. So encourage your customers to leave a review, maybe offer them a discount, but make sure the review is honest and open. And yeah, reviews are really, really fantastic. And if there's any problems at all, if someone like doesn't have a good time with the service, make sure you talk to them before you say leave a review. So just encourage them that you want to make sure everything's great. Everything's always fantastic, and reviews again are really, really important, not only for a ranking factor, but for social proof. So thanks for watching the review video. I will move on to the next video where we will talk about what next? Our social signals.